Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Carrot website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete a section in one of your Carrot website pages? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete a section in one of your Carrot website pages anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a real estate business using Carrot website, you know that sometimes they're going to have sections added in that just aren't relevant to your company. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Carrot website dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Carrot website dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now, if you want to delete a section from one of your pages, here on the left side, you're going to click on content. Once you click on content, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on pages or posts, depending on where that section is located. For me, I'm going to click on pages. Once you do that, you're going to see all the different pages or posts. So choose the one that you want to delete a section for. So for example, this one right here, Beaverton Cash Home Buyers. I'm going to click on edit. Okay, once you click on edit, it's going to open up the edit, and then you're just going to scroll down until you see the section of this page you want to delete. So for me, I added this YouTube video here at the bottom. So I want to go ahead and delete this section since it's not relevant to this Carrot web page. And all you're going to do is just click on the section. When you click on the section, you're going to see this little menu pop up here on the left. So this is for the YouTube video. But if I want to delete the text right here, I would just click into that section, or maybe up here, this form, you can click here. And what you're going to do is once you click on it, you're going to see the menu, click on these three dots, and then you're going to click on delete. And you can see it deletes immediately that particular section. And you're not quite finished until you click on save here on the top right. Okay, now it's saving. All right, it's processing. Okay, now it's saved, paged, updated. And if you want to see what it looks like, just click here on this little arrow here on the top right here, and then it's going to open up the page. And if we scroll down, you can see that that YouTube section has now been deleted. It no longer appears here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete a section from one of your Carrot web pages, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.